more Jamaican sickest rides.
Hey, I'm Damier riding Cyber CBR 600, number 7. Today went very well. Between couple laps and thing, I heard a sound in the motor, so we had to call the day a short day. But as well, the day was good day and we feel good about it. So we're going to go home and prepare and come back very strong. Today was very good for us. So we want to see what the competition brings and everything. So, 876 streets, mad.
Well, I think if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So it's good that we're here actually putting in some seat time at Dover and the familiarity with the track and so on. So when we come in front of the fans, we will stand up and prevail. And he would continue his winning streaks as usual and stuff. So that's why I'm very proud of him, and we're here to support him through it, because the team is everything for us, and that is why we love 876 Streets for coming and gazetting everything to see what we go through. It's not just here, turn up every day, and it's so we actually come and we prepare and go back to the drawing board and fix the bugs and so on, and come up back and help everybody where we can. Everybody else who we see having a problem, we sit down and say, yo man, that's your problem here and there. So we share, and hopefully we can build motorsports in Jamaica and everybody get along. All the clubs and the genres, the GRDC, all of them I can call, especially the JMMC and the ASN need to pay attention to the people who are actually up and coming from nothing and using nothing and doing something to make this thing and draw the crowds and so on, and give them what them due. Right.
Yeah man, big up the thing, and you don't know it live. Big up Broomy crew, and everybody who come out and help us and enjoy the day with us.
Big up the sponsor them, Porky's Bar and Grill, All Seasons Beach Resort, Maurice's Gas and Appliances, Venom Performance, Desolate them and Sons. We need more sponsors. Don't get it wrong. Paint Plus, them thing there. Big up the man to Ace 876 and nothing still all of them. You understand? Respect on it to the T, hard work. Reach far, without to win or nothing. Big up on yourself. Big up everybody. Don't know. Everybody on 876 Streets for repping for Jamaica. Sickest rides, motorsports, and the maddest talent. Come out, Moby.